Hey everybody, my name is Chef Aaron Stumb at Wake Tech Community College. Today I'm making a fun vegetable side for your holiday gathering. It is sauteed Brussels sprouts with kimchi and bacon. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna render the bacon, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil to this pan that's pretty hot. A quarter pound of bacon here. All right, and I wanna crisp up and brown this bacon. I'm rendering this bacon at about medium high. Want to get a little bit of texture on it. Want it to brown up, but most importantly, I want to pull all the fat out of this bacon because this is what we're going to brown the Brussels sprouts in. All right, so this bacon is crisped up pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the pan and place it on another dish. And I want to leave as much fat as I can in the pan because that's, again, what we're gonna brown the Brussels sprouts in. So here we go. Back on the flame or back on the stove. Move that grease around. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my Brussels sprouts. And I'm gonna move them around to coat them with the bacon fat. And then I'm just gonna let them sit for a second to brown. You'll toss them occasionally to keep them from browning too much in one spot. You don't want them to burn, you just want them to caramelize and have a nice even brown color on them. All right, so these Brussels sprouts are browning up pretty nicely now. I'm going to place them in a 400-degree oven so that they'll finish cooking and get a little bit browner. It's a nice hot oven. After about 10 or 15 minutes, or at least until the Brussels are soft, we're gonna pull them out of the 400-degree oven. Give them a little shake. They look done. And I'm going to toss them with, for this amount of Brussels sprouts, probably about a cup of prepared kimchi. I actually made this recipe last night. It's a quick recipe. But most grocery stores do carry prepared kimchi that you can buy jarred. It's just as good. Delicious stuff. Will definitely make a holiday meal, give it a little bit more pizzazz. Now we're gonna place this, toss it a few more times, place it on our serving platter. Nice, that looks great, smells good. We are going to garnish that with our rendered bacon that we have set aside. And there we go. Sauteed Brussels sprouts with kimchi and rendered bacon. And just with 10 or 15 minutes of prep time, these Brussels sprouts will help jazz up your family holiday gathering this year. My name is Chef Aaron Stumb, and thanks for tuning in to Pro Tips.